Hey there, welcome to my channel Code Canvas. In this video, we will learn about one of the CSS property, box decoration break. So, the box decoration break property specifies how an element's fragments should be rendered when broken across multiple lines or columns or pages. Okay, so this is one of the useful CSS property when you have multiple line content. Okay, so for example, let's create one HTML. Okay, in HTML, let me add one div out of this div. Okay, we have one div with some class. Let's give it example section. Okay, in that div, we again have one div example container. Okay, and in that div, we have one span. Okay. So in span, we can add some content. Let's say we have some text. Okay. This is an example of box decoration break. Okay. So this is content and let's see how it looks. So right now nothing is there because CSS needs to be written. Okay. So in CSS, let's go and add a class example section. In example section, first of all, we will add display, that is flex. Okay, justify content center to make it align center and align items to center. Okay, so it will be center. Okay. In that class, we will also have example container. Okay, we can add example container class with color. Let's add white color, for example, so we can see or we can read this text. Okay, right now the text is in single line, but we can break it to apply this CSS property. Okay, we either can add width to this span, or we can simply add br tag, that is break tag. Okay, let me add break so you can see multiple lines. Okay, so this is multiple line content. Okay, so in CSS we have example container, and in that we have span. So we can directly add span. Okay, here we can add background. Let's say background some gradient, linear gradient to bottom. Okay, right. So it will be to bottom right. Some color. Let's add some color like FFF D54. Okay, and again let me add the same color and we will change it later. Okay, we can change it to some other color. Let's take it some dark color. Okay, so that is linear gradient. Let's see how it applies. Okay, so this is linear gradient. All right, so now we can add some padding, top and bottom 0 and 1 em left and right. Okay, border radius, let's keep it 16 pixel. Okay, we can add it 20 pixel as well. Border, we can add style, keep it solid, right? And font, let's keep it 24 pixel sans serif, that is font family. Okay, and line height 2, so we can see. Yeah, okay, so now we have this background with some border radius, border, font and line height. Okay, so now you can see this content is broken, not actually content, but this background is broken, right? You can see here it is broken. So using property box decoration break, we can fix this. So default value of this property is, let me add box decoration break and slice. The default value is slice. Okay, and let's see. Yes, it is not applying because to make it work in WebKit, we have to apply a prefix WebKit box decoration style. Okay, and now you can see WebKit box decoration break is slice. So this is default value. Okay, nothing changes. Once you make it clone, it will fix. Okay, so now you can see clone and you can see independent section for each line. Okay, so I think this looks good and this is looking broken, right? So using this box decoration break CSS property and value as clone, you can fix this, right? So when you say about properties, there are few properties that will impact on the appearance of this properties like background or border. You can say box shadow, border image, clip path is also one of the property, margin and padding. Okay, so these properties will get affected. Okay, so when you say slice, so this is default value. So when you get slice, when you apply the slice value, the element is initially rendered as if it is box were not fragmented. Okay, after the rendering for this hypothetical box, so you can see, say this is hypothetical box, right? That box is sliced into pieces for each line or column, or you can say page. Okay, so this is how this slice property works. And when you change it to clone, each box fragment is rendered independently with the specified border, right? You can see this border. We have given border radius 16 pixel. So each box fragment is rendered independently with the specified border or padding or margin that is wrapped by each fragment. Okay, so the border radius, box shadow, and border image are the applied to each fragment independently. So you can see when you apply this value as clone, it looks good. These properties are getting applied as independent element. Okay, so in this case, we can use this box decoration break when you know that your content or your paragraph will be fragmented into multiple lines. Okay, so you can always use this property when you have such cases. All right. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments below. If you like my video, please give me like, and if you subscribe my video, it will be really great. You can check out my channel. There are many videos on CSS, JavaScript, and Node.js. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.